Hello children. So today we shall study the structure and grammar part from the exercises of the lesson The Learned Fools. Okay. Now the first one, imperatives. What are imperatives? Imperatives are nothing but which express a command, request or suggestion. Okay, understood? Now for example, it is hot outside, don't go out. So this sentence is imperative sentence because it is a command. Okay, so therefore it is an imperative sentence. Now another example, the baby is sleeping, don't shout. So this is another imperative sentence. This is there in your textbook and this is one example. So other things by yourselves you have to do. Okay. Now the second one is the baby is sleeping, we have finished. Now the second one is the pan is hot, do not touch it. So the do not touch it is the imperative sentence. So you understood children what is imperative? Okay. Now the second, conditional sentences. Conditional sentences. It may be real or possible condition. The condition can be real or it is possible. Okay. Now how it is? The conditional sentences are formed with the formula of if plus simple present plus simple future. Sometimes the simple future can come in the place of simple present and the simple present sentence can come in the place of simple future. So this both can exchange and come. Now, as per the formula, here one example is given. If you eat ice cream, you will get cold. So these three things are very important. If, which is the condition, if you eat ice cream, this comes as a simple present. Okay, you will get cold. The future action of eating ice cream, this is simple present and the simple future is this. So the future action of eating the ice cream will be this, that you will get cold if you eat ice cream, and the condition is if only you eat. Okay, I hope you understood. And there are some sentences, the exercises which you are supposed to do. Okay, now for example, the first sentence is given, you will pass if you work hard. You will pass if you work hard. That is one example is given. Now the condition if is given for hard work. If you work hard only, you will pass. Okay, otherwise no. So the future action depends on your condition. Okay, if you work hard, then only. Now, so the rest of the exercises in the fill in the blanks you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now, for example, I will come to the party. So after that, if he there is a dash that you have to fill up by yourselves. Okay. For example, I will come to the party if he comes. Okay. If he comes only, I will come to the party. So like that you have to complete the rest of the exercises. Okay. Now the next one, third one, phrases with prepositions. Now what is that phrases with prepositions? The phrases which has two or more words. Two or more words are known as phrases with prepositions, and the phrase can have a verb, noun, or an adjective. So out of these three, any word it can have the phrase, okay, but with a preposition, okay. For example, laugh at, they laugh at him. So the laugh at, okay, this is a phrase, and out with this phrase there is a preposition also. This is the preposition. So when the preposition is added with the word, then it is phrase with the preposition. Understood, children? Another example, sorry for. Sorry for. Here two words are there. This is the adjective and this is preposition. So this phrase is known as phrase with the preposition. I am sorry for what I have done. So the sorry for is phrases with prepositions. Now in your textbook, it is given, examples are given like laugh at, which I already told you. Laugh at, sorry for, expert in. So these are the examples are given. Now in below it is given that now fill in the blanks with the suitable phrases. The phrases are given in a box, and under that there are sentences with the blanks. In that you have to fill the suitable phrases. For example, I don't dash what you say. Here what will come? I don't agree with what you say. So rest of that them you have to do. This is one example I gave to you. So other phrases with preposition you have to fill in the blanks by yourselves. Okay, children? So thank you, children. Today we shall stop here and we shall see in the next class. Okay? Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.